Hello everybody and welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Mori Seiki SL-25B. This machine comes with a 10-inch 3-jaw Kitagawa hydraulic chuck. It comes with a 10-station turret with tooling, a Fanuc MSC-516 CNC control. It has a tool presetter, a 2-step gear spindle for powerful torque, hydraulic tailstock with the power quill, chip pan, coolant system. As usual, I'm going to list all the specs in the description below so we can take a look at the machine. Well, there you all have it, the Mori Seiki SL-25B. If you have any further questions, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600, or you can jump over to our website. It's www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time.